Resep Bumbu Jawa for Marinasi ala Indonesia, Indonesian food. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will make something delicious and special from Indonesia. Bumbu Jawa for Marinasi. This is one of my favorite recipes that will make your tongue go haywire. So, we started. Ingredients. Onion white, 4 cloves, finely chopped. Red onion, 3 pieces, finely chopped. Galangal, small, marked. Ginger, cut small, bruised. Lemongrass, 2 bars, bruised. Salt, enough. Rose red, enough. Shrimp paste, 1 teaspoon. Tamarind water, 2 spoonfuls. Oil, 2 spoons. Instructions. First, heat some frying oil in the pan. Then, add white onion and red onion until fragrant. Continuing, add galangal, ginger, and we will put them in the garden. Let them smell fragrant and give us an extraordinary taste. Now, add sugar, heat, and red sugar into the pan. Mix well and let the red sugar dissolve completely. Finally, add asam to the mixture. This will give a little refreshing acid to the mixture. And voila! Bumbu Marinasi is ready to be used. The aroma and flavor of this plant will make your cooking extraordinary. You can use this bulb to marinate meat, chicken, or even potatoes and tempeh. Let them marinate in this bulb for a few minutes for best results. Nah, that's this simple recipe for marinated bomb from Indonesia. I hope you try it at home and enjoy the results. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for other cooking videos. See you later. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.